Students, do you know who is she? Who is the lady in the picture? She is Lady Augusta Ada Lovelace. Remember her name? Lady Augusta Ada Lovelace. She was the first programmer. She was the first programmer. She worked with Charles Babbage on his analytical engine. She worked with Charles Babbage on his analytical engine. She also suggested to use binary number system instead of decimal number system. She also suggested to use binary number system instead of decimal number system. Students, now we will study about another important person in the field of computers. He is George Boole. I'm again repeating, he is George Boole. George, George, Boole, Boole, and he designed the Boolean logic. He designed the Boolean logic. Now let's talk about another important person, and that is Hermann Hollerith. Hermann Hollerith invented tabulating machine. Students, please note it that Hermann Hollerith invented tabulating machine. Students, do you know who is he? He is John von Neumann. John von Neumann. He joined hands with Presper Eckert and John Mauchly, and they together built an important computer known as EDVEC. I am again telling, he joined hands with Presper Eckert and John Mauchly, and they three together invented an important computer, EDVEC. Let's discuss about another person in the field of computer, and he is Howard Aiken. I'm again repeating, he is Howard Aiken. Now he developed an important computer known as Mark I in 1944. Howard Aiken developed Mark I in 1944. Let's discuss about another computer, and that is ENIAC. ENIAC stands for Electronic, Numeric, Integrator and Computer. I'm again repeating, Electronic, Numeric, Integrator and Computer. ENIAC was the first general purpose electronic digital computer. ENIAC was the first general purpose electronic digital computer. It was invented by John Mauchly and J. Presper Eckert. It was invented by John Mauchly and J. Presper Eckert. This ENIAC consisted of, or it was made up of 18,000 vacuum tubes, and it was 1,000 times faster than Mark I. Remember students, ENIAC consisted of 18,000 vacuum tubes and it was 1,000 times faster than Mark I. Let's now discuss about generation of computers. There are 5 generations of computer. First generation. It started from 1940 and ended in 1956. This generation computers use vacuum tubes and use machine and assembly language. Examples of first generation computers are UNIVAC, ADVAC, ANIVAC. Now let's come to second generation computers. Second generation started in 1956 and ended in 1963. Computers of second generation use transistors technology and they use Fortran, COBOL and BASIC language. Examples of such computers are IBM 1400 and 700 series. Let's come to now third generation computers. It started in 1964 and ended in 1971. Integrated circuits, or we can say IC, were used in third generation computer. Sophisticated operating systems were used, and the examples of third generation computers are IBM System 360. Let's talk about fourth generation computer that started in 1972 and till present, till date the generation of computer is fourth generation. Technology used was microprocessor and special softwares were used for maintaining large database. Examples of such computers are IBM PC, Apple Macintosh. Last generation of computer is the fifth generation that is based on artificial intelligence technology. These computers can understand human speech and can recognize patterns like faces and other complex images. Examples of such computers are robots. Thank you.